today is inspired by Makeup for Class Pictorial. First off, on my clean face, I applied Eskinol for my facial cleanser to remove excess dirt and oil all over my face and even my neck area. After that, I applied facial moisturizer to hydrate my skin. Applied facial spray from MAC Fix and Prime for my primer, and then let it dry with my mini fan. Now I am applying my foundation from L'Oreal Paris Infallible foundation. I blended it with my hands or my finger because it's quickly dry. For my even application, I use my beauty sponge for other areas of my face. Now I'm applying concealer from L'Oreal Infallible. I'm using my same shade and 2 times lighter than my shade, and blend it with my beauty blender until seamlessly blend. Top it with my translucent powder using my hard sponge and blend it with clear and clean brush. For my contour, I use Bahama Mama, and then using my facial brush, I apply it on my hollows of my cheeks, forehead, nose bridge, and chin. Lash from Be Matte Pro. Using my liquid highlighter, I apply it on my pointed nose, my cheekbone, and my cupid's bow. Spray again with my finishing Prep+Prime MAC finishing spray. For my eyes, I use Lorac Pro and apply it in the shade of Nude blending brush to blend it on my crease. Also use the same shade under my lash line. Center of my eyelid, I applied pink or champagne color eyeshadow. And now I'm applying white eyeliner on my lower lash line. And for my upper lash line, I'm using black eyeliner to look my eyes bigger. Smudge brush, I'm using this to smudge my black eyeliner. And now it's time for my mascara. But first, curl my lash. I'm using Maybelline Lash Lift for my mascara. For my eyebrows, I use eyebrow waterproof pomade so that my eyebrows will not smudge or fade until the day long. My lips, I use Old Rose shade so that my lips looks like natural. And voila! I can now take my pictorial class.